Yo, what's happening, guys? Coming at you from DOWN4SOUND.com, and in this video we're going to be showing you a newly released tweeter that we just came out with. So let's jump right into it. This is going to be the DW2STs. They come in 4 ohm and 8 ohm. So I don't know if you can see the model numbers right here. So it's going to be 4SQ-RT3 4 ohm or 8SQ-RT3 8 ohm. So again, they come in 4 ohm and 8 ohm here. This is a more compact super tweeter. So if you're needing something that's around 2 inches, this is going to be the one for you. So let's check out the measurements on the back. So the depth is right at 2 inches, 1.96 inches. So it was actually, let's just call it 2 because we did it at the bottom of the motor instead of the push terminal. So give it 2 inches, 2 1/4 inch or something like that for a little bit of clearance. And then the width on what you're seeing, if you flush mount these, and I'll show you how to do that, is 1.67 inches on the cutout, but overall width is going to be 2.24. All right, so the power rating on these is going to be 50 watts to 100 watts RMS, depending on where you have them crossed over at. Sensitivity is going to be 106 dB. The frequency range on these is going to be 3,000 to 20,000. Materials used in this is going to be aluminum. The diaphragm is titanium, and the voice coil wire is CCA. And let's give you a little bit better tour of these. So on the front side, if you're wanting to flush mount these, what you would do is spin off this ring, and then you would make your cutout right here, which is going to be 1.67 inches right here. So that's going to be 1.67 inches. So you would cut that out, and then you would go from the back side, and then the panel, you would stick it through the panel right here. And then to hold it in there, so again, you're putting these in your door or your pillar, you would have this sticking through there, and then you would come in and screw this back on. So the only thing that you would see on the front side would be the beautiful Down4Sound logo and the front of the tweeter right here. So again, these tweeters, $29.99 each. So a very budget friendly super tweeter, and it's not that big either. So if you're looking for something that's rather compact but very loud but clear, this is going to be a great option. If you're looking for something to power these with, you could do a Minimax 50x4 or the 504 Minimax or the JP84. Both of those amplifiers, I believe, are available in 9 or 10 different colors. And the price points, I think on the Minimax it's actually less than $100 right now on the tax time deal. And the JP84, I think, is 140, 150-ish, something like that. Don't quote me, since we have like thousands of products on the website now, it's hard to keep up with the pricing on everything. But anyway, if you're looking for a great, small, yet very clear, loud tweeter that doesn't take a ton of power to get them sounding nice, be sure to check this out. The DW2STs, available in 4 ohm and 8 ohm for $29.99. We'll see you in the next one. Later. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Life of Price, and also Down4Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget Snapchat. I'm JPD4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.